I'm on a mission to declutter and organize our entire house to support our slow and simple lifestyle. So far, I've tackled several spaces, including the kids' bedrooms, while they've been at their grandparents' house for the past couple of weeks. Today, I'm focusing on the loft where the kids homeschool. This space includes their piano, arts and crafts supplies, and each of their desks. The loft tends to get cluttered quickly with all of their creative projects and such, so resetting the loft took me 4 days to complete. On day 1, I'm starting with the kids' piano and arts and crafts supplies desk, which is new to the loft. I brought it from my youngest daughter's room when I decluttered her room not too long ago. I'm focusing on making sure the piano area was clear and ready for practice, sorting through all their supplies, putting everything back as nicely as I could, and dusting. On day 2, I'm tackling my oldest daughter's desk, tidying from top to bottom and dusting. I just finished decluttering my daughter's desk and kind of organizing it as best I could with what I had on hand. I've got 2 piles of items to relocate. One pile needs to go back to my oldest daughter's room, and the other pile will go to the home office. And then I got some trash, but it wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. Here's the pile of stuff that needs to go back to my daughter's room. And then this stuff needs to go to the home office. Oh yeah, and this is my son's marker that needs to go to his room. And then that's all the trash I got from her desk. And here's how it's looking. It's better than it was. And tomorrow we'll tackle my son's desk. On day 3, as I just mentioned, I'm tidying my son's desk from top to bottom and dusting as well. I just finished decluttering my son's desk. It's looking a lot better than it was before. It could still use some help. But yeah, most of his drawers are empty now. But anyway, we've got more trash added to the trash bag here. And then this is the stuff that needs to go back into my son's room. And then a pile of paper that needs to go either downstairs to the office, or I might leave a stack up here on their piano and art supply desk. I haven't decided yet. And then tomorrow we're going to be working on my youngest daughter's desk. I didn't record her desk declutter because it was Saturday and I try to avoid recording on Saturdays. However, I followed the same basic method as with the other desks, tidying and dusting from top to bottom and making sure everything was neat and organized. Throughout the past couple of weeks since the kids have been at their grandparents', I filled both a bag full of trash and our time will tell bin with items from all 4 of their spaces. And there we have it, a tidier, more organized homeschool space. The kids returned home from their grandparents' house the day after I finished the loft on Sunday morning. They were mostly thrilled to see their tidy, organized homeschool space in their rooms, but it's important for them to have functional spaces, and they're now all set up to tackle another homeschool year. And I'm ready to declutter and organize the next 2 spaces, the kitchen and dining area.